everyone! Today on Thriving with PKU, I'm going to share with you some of my favorite cauliflower finds from Trader Joe's. Now, I'm not a very good Trader Joe's connoisseur, however, I have a lot of Instagram followers who are, so they have told me to try these things. So let's go through the list that I found. The first one is Kung Pao Tempura cauliflower. Really, really good. I love to eat it with some low protein rice and it makes a really good meal, and Mr. Heinz will even eat them. The second one is this cauliflower pizza crust, which I think is really good, a little bit higher than some other pizza crusts that I found. I've also heard that there's a butternut squash pizza crust at Trader Joe's, but my Trader Joe's do not have it at the moment. This one I'm really excited for and I really liked. It's a cauliflower stir fry, and what I like about it is that it's a really simple, easy meal that you don't have to really do much thinking at all. It's all together, all for you. You just throw it in a pan and basically warm it up. I also found one other cauliflower treat, but I already ate it. This is cauliflower gnocchi and it is so good. Sweet Mr. Heinz even liked it. I just sauteed it with some olive oil and garlic because I love garlic, but you could put it with some low protein pasta or you could have some sauce with it. Very, very good, and I highly recommend. So I just gotta thank my Instagram followers that helped me find these great things from Trader Joe's. There will be definitely more to come. That place is just filled with great low protein treats. I'll see you all next week on Tuesday at Thriving with PKU, and don't forget to check in the description box below for the protein content in all of these different meals. See you next week.